My G, my ninja, I know I love you, but you have to start releasing stuff. We gotta stop getting stuck on these fucking breaks, man. Because if you don't eat, I don't eat, bro. Your success, my success. I get them gigs. The way you're gonna get them is releasing stuff. I'm gonna help you by teaching you a couple concepts you can use for the break so we can unclog the mind, hopefully get you out of that goddamn writer's block, block, you know? The first concept of a break that you need to understand is that a break is a goddamn break. And the way that you get a break from something is by removing stuff. You're working on a song, you can remove the low end of a track.
Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah. I like sexes from my exes when they want a second chance. I like
Okay, the track dropped in energy. Second thing you can probably remove is something important from the song, like a main melody, a main vocal, to bring in change, bring in new performances.
body, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali.
You don't want to stagnate. We know cigarettes are bad for you. All you gotta do is vape now. What you decide to do in that break, well, that's totally up to you. My advice is to go hear stuff. What do you like? What excited you as a kid? What did your dad force you to listen to on the long-ass ride to Florida? Eagles, bro. Hotel California is ingrained in my fucking... The next concept with breaks is creating tension. It doesn't matter what genre I listen to. I listen to the Backstreet Boys. I listen to NSYNC, Beyonce, Alueto. In a break, you can create tension. Depending on the genre, you will create tension in various different ways. And let Cardi B do her thing. And that creates tension because you guys know bass is going to come back. Melody is going to come back. People anticipate it and that creates tension, motherfucker. It's all about the crew. And the way you release that tension, it's really going to make people feel something, those goosebumps. It ain't ASMR, I'll tell you that. It's no tingles. Next concept of a break is opposites attract. If for your drop, you've been doing crazy stuff, and in the break, you just want to take some buttons off, start getting all emotional and sexy. Then the break can allow you to do that, and you can see the break as an opportunity. Finally, the last advice I have for breaks is you can use the break to foreshadow what's going to happen later on in the song. You know, you're going to have a lead coming in later. Maybe you use it in the break to tease them, the hook. And later on in one of your final drops, your choruses, you unleash the hook on the drop, on the main part. If you guys enjoyed the sounds in this video, sure to check out evilsounds.com. That's where majority of the sounds you heard in this video are coming from. With that being said, you take care, G. Get those bangers out. Come on now, I'm counting on you, and I'll see you for the next video.